Application of solenoidal in vector calculus. In a vector calculus, a solenoid vector field, also known as an incompressible vector field, a divergence vector field, or a transfer vector field, is a vector field with divergence 0 at all points in the field. Diagram representation of solenoidal vector in x and y axis, where the divergence of points is 0. A common way of expressing this property is to say that the field has no source. Applications: the solenoidal vector field. We of course recall that a converse conservative vector field CR can be identified from its curl, which is always equal to 0. Similarly, V bar cross CR equal to 0. Similarly, there is another type of vector field SR called as a solenoidal field whose divergence is always equal to 0. Moreover, we find that only solenoidal vector have a 0 divergence. The 0 divergence is a test for determining if a given vector field is a solenoidal. We sometimes refer to a solenoidal vector as a divergence field. Recall the another characteristic of a conservative vector field that can be expressed the gradient of some scalar field. Solenoidal vector field have a similar characteristic. Every solenoidal vector field can be expressed as a curl of some other vector field. Solenoidal vector field equal to vector into another vector. Additionally, we find that only solenoidal vector can be expressed as the curl of some of other vector. Note this means that the curl of any vector field always result in a solenoidal field. Note if we combines these two previous equation, we get a vector identity. V bar dot into V bar cross a of r vector equal to 0, a result that is always true for any and every vector field a bar. Note this result is analogous to identify derived from conservative field V bar cos gr equal to 0 for all scalar fields g of r. Now let's recall the divergence theorem. Triple integral of V bar dot A bar dV equal to double integral with respect to S with respect to triple integral with respect to V bar dot AR dV with respect to dV equal to double integral of S AR dot ds. If the vector field AR is a solenoidal, we can write this theorem as triple integral of with respect to V bar dot solenoidal vector SR dV equal to double integral of SR dot ds. But of course the divergence of a solenoidal field is 0. As a result, the left side of the divergence theorem is 0, and we conclude that double integral of S dot ds equal to 0. Derivative of S equal to 0. In other words, the other surface integral of any and every solenoidal vector field across a closed surface is equal to 0. Note this result is analogous to evaluating a line integral of conservative field over a closed counter. Integral of curl with respect to dl equal to 0. Every solenoidal field can be expressed as the curl of some other vector field. The curl of any and all vector field also result in a solenoidal vector field. The surface is integral of a solenoidal vector field across any closed surface is equal to 0. The divergence of every solenoidal vector field is equal to 0. The divergence of a vector is 0 only if it is a solenoidal. These are the this this is about the solenoidal vector and its application in vectors. Thank you for giving this topic to me.